Hey guys, welcome to Court in the City. I'm super excited to be back with another YouTube tutorial, and this time I'm doing something fun. As you can tell, my hair looks a little crazy, a little different than how it usually looks because it usually looks crazy, but this is a little different than normal because I'm doing a half a wig style today. So if you want to know how I got to this style for $30, sit back and watch my video. Welcome to Court in the City. So I recently purchased this half up, half down wig from my local beauty supply store. It was $29.99 and I'm so excited about this. So let's open it up. Let me show y'all the card. This is what it is. This is what the wig looks like. It's really long. And then the inside has clips, and then it also has a clip down here and a drawstring. And then this is the ponytail. I'm gonna take this out of the net. All right, it has a little piece. This is what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna take my little plait and I'm gonna tuck it under just because I didn't want the base to be too bulky, and usually I have a bulky base when I put my hair in a bun, so I'm just gonna make it like super thin like that so I don't have any problems. All right, so everything I said do the ponytail first, so we're gonna try this out. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, I look like Princess Jasmine. All right, so I'm gonna play around with it because this is too high. I need it to be a little bit lower. Okay, so I finally got the ponytail to look cute. I ain't even gonna lie. I struggled a little bit with this little easy ponytail, but that's not saying anything about this brand. I struggle with ponytails anyway, regardless. Like, I've never been able to do ponytails good, but this looks cute already. The piece smoothed down. I did bobby pin it in the back or whatever. And I also forgot to show y'all what I had my hair looking like. So it was in that ponytail in the front, and then it's like these braids in the back. All right, so let's get into the wig. Let's see if I can do this. All right, so I am done. I think that this looks really cute. I need to brush it. It is synthetic, so just keep that in mind. So you'll probably have to brush it. They do have some shorter ones. I definitely struggled with the ponytail. It could have just been me, but I need to pin this bad boy, and the little wrap thing is like super thick, so I didn't really know how to get my bobby pin in there, but your girl figured it out. This is cute. And another thing I will say about it is because it's so long, like, it's shedding. But yeah, I would buy this again. I wouldn't say that this is for like long time use. Basically go out for the night looking cute with your girls and take it home and put it in the closet until you want to wear it for another night. You definitely, I don't think, can wear this every day, but yeah, this is cute. So be sure to come back to my channel for another tutorial.